Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Honeywell space heater suddenly stops heating or refuses to turn on, you may be wondering whether there is a reset button that can help bring it back to normal. Many people do not realize that a Honeywell space heater may shut down temporarily because of overheating protection, tipping safety features, or power interruptions. Sometimes the heater looks completely fine but still will not start, making it seem like something major is wrong. The good thing is that in many cases, a simple reset process can help the heater begin working again without needing complicated troubleshooting. Since different models may place the reset option in different spots, knowing where to look can save time and frustration. In this video, I will show you how the Honeywell space heater reset button works and what steps you can try. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Honeywell space heater and allow it to cool down for several minutes before trying a reset. Step 2. Unplug the Honeywell space heater from the outlet to clear any temporary power interruption. Step 3. Check the bottom or rear area of the Honeywell space heater if the model includes a reset button. Step 4. Press the reset option on the Honeywell space heater gently if your model provides one. Step 5. Plug the Honeywell space heater back into a secure wall outlet instead of an extension cord. Step 6. Turn on the Honeywell space heater and confirm it starts heating normally again.